Every great achievement begins with a spark of belief. It starts with a person deciding, "I will not quit." The road ahead might be unclear, the path uncertain, but that first step is what begins to turn dreams into reality. There are countless stories of people who started with nothing but a vision. They faced rejection, doubt, and failure, but they didn't let those moments define them. Instead, they let them fuel their drive, their determination, and their belief in what could be. Remember this: success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. It's the small actions, the daily habits, the unwavering commitment that lead to greatness. No one wakes up successful. They build it, step by step, hour by hour. So when things get tough, when the road seems endless, don't back down. Understand that growth happens in those challenging moments. The struggles are just part of the process. Keep going, keep believing, and watch as your dedication transforms your life. You have the power to shape your future. Your next step could be the one that changes everything. Keep pushing, keep striving. The finish line is closer than you think. If you feel inspired by this message, like the video, share your journey in the comments below, and subscribe to this channel for more powerful stories and motivation. Together, we'll keep moving forward. The only limit to your success is your willingness to keep going. Your future starts now.